this is an impromptu morning routine video. It is 6:15. I got up at 6 and washed my face and brushed my teeth and stuff. I am getting ready to make me some coffee, and this is actually a training day for me for work. So I just want to give you guys an insight of how my morning usually works. I usually get up at least 30 minutes before the girls. I get up, I start breakfast. Usually I do like 2 to 3 hot meals a week, and then the other days we just like kind of grab and go. But this is one of those hot days because it's gonna be an all-day thing at me for training. I don't know if they're gonna have food or not, so yeah, I just wanted to get up and do that. Let me put my little hoodie on. It's cold, y'all. I do got my heat on, but it'll be colder downstairs than it is upstairs. So I'm gonna get the girls up in like 10 minutes. I usually get Jael up first, and then I get Jale up 10 minutes after her. So yeah. I just get Jael up in enough time to, hold on, I can't take this cup. Okay. I usually just get Jael up in enough time to get, her in the bathroom, then she can get herself together. Oh, I'm gonna fall. So yeah. So I usually just make my little coffee. I don't make anything spectacular in the mornings. I usually make, it's between like 3 items, for real. I make like oatmeal, I'll do waffles, or the girls would do like toaster strudels, or sometimes I get Jael those little microwavable grits packets, but I haven't been buying those because grits aren't really that good for y'all, so just so y'all know. So I don't really be buying them all like that, but yeah. And then I'll throw in like some fruit, like I'll cut up some bananas for the baby, or some strawberries, or they'll take an apple or whatever. But today, I have maybe like an extra 10 minutes or so this morning because I don't have to be to my school until like 7:45-ish. Because I already got my gas and stuff. So I have to go pick up my coworker. We're going to ride together. I'm going to leave out like 10 minutes later. So I am going to make which I don't like. Okay, no. I was about to make some which I am going to make for Jale and myself. I'm going to just scramble up an egg and cheese, and we're going to make some rolls. Put these on like tortillas real quick. And these are super cute and super like easy to make. I do cheese quesadillas for them on these, and it was buy one get one free, so that's the main reason why I got them. But these are that. Gonna do me some little brown eggs and cheese. Make sure y'all using the real cheese, y'all. Don't be using that shredded cheese, y'all. Okay, so my coffee is just about done. The creamer that I'm going to be using is this one. I just got this one. I used to get this one all the time, but then I switched it to a different brand. I forgot the other brand I was using. But it was like lactose free, which is really better for me because you guys know we don't do like regular milk over here, but this doesn't really bother me too much. You know, I do dairy, but I just don't do the milk. This kind doesn't bother me that much. I used to use this a lot when I worked at my last school. So I just went back to this brand because I really was craving like the taste of French vanilla. So I got this one. And I think I'm going to make Jael like a couple pancakes. So I think I'm going to make this for me. And I'm just going to make her and Jale a few pancakes because Jale is going to be... What in the world? Why is it... I don't know. Whatever. Jale is going to be real upset if she don't get to get the same thing as Jael. So I already forgot all about that. So I'm just going to make both of them a few pancakes. And the mix that I got today, let me show y'all. So this is the mix that I got. This is the Crustiers, I don't know, light and fluffy buttermilk. and you just add water. This is my first time trying this. It was a buy one, get one free. And I got the waffle mix, which I'm really excited about to do my waffles in. I have a really cool waffle maker that I had got for Jael last birthday. So we're going to use that to make waffles this weekend. But right now, I'm about to make these pancakes. So I'm going to get back on here once I finish making the egg, whatever you want to call it, and these pancakes. Here's one. There's that one over on the potty. Good job, Bunny. Good job. So I got them up, rushing as usual. Bunny's on the potty, and I'm about to get Bunny dressed now. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to block her real quick because she doesn't have on any clothes. Scoot over a little bit, Bunny. I got to get you some underwear. Yeah, my baby is in underwear now. Stay right there. So, get out the camera. Oh, my gosh. I gotta go find you some underwear. Get out the camera. Okay, so I got her little undies. Come on. Y'all, she was running all in the camera naked and everything. Come on. So let me at least put her top and her undies on before y'all see her. Because they can't be seeing my baby's goodies. Ain't that right? Okay. Alright, here's the baby. Oh, I always love on her in the morning. That's what we was doing for 5 minutes before I even turned this camera. You want to do what? Yeah. Okay. So, I'm about to throw her clothes on her. This is her little cute outfit. She's wearing this with this little top. I don't even remember where I got this from, but I just popped the tags off of it. So she can wear it today. Because I'm like, it's not going to be chilly. I think it's not going to be 70 something. But y'all know still, I be wanting my baby to be nice and cozy at school. Ain't that right? And we don't wear, well, sometimes, I'm not going to lie, I do be sending her in the good clothes because I just want her to wear them. But most of the time, no. And then I just throw on my little clothes. And this stuff is new that I got on. It don't look new, though. Like, it don't look new, but it is new. I got on a little, it's from Forever 21, the shirt and this little shawl thing. It's really comfy, but it's just not giving what it needs to give. I mean, that's what I got it for, like, work, but still. Sit down, baby. You like your outfit? These are her sneakers of the day. So, y'all know we rushing. I didn't even finish making the breakfast. I had to come upstairs for something, so I just wound up getting them up because I was like, yeah, I'm not going to have time. But I am going to throw something together down here real quick. Even if they just give one pancake a piece, it'd be better than nothing. You know, and I got to do their hair. Jael has braids, so I don't have to do her hair. Come on. But I do got to do my hair. Y'all see my hair. So, yes, always a hectic morning. There's Jael. She need to come on. Come on, buddy. I was about to say, get my phone, but I already got my phone. Okay. Yeah, you got your shoes on. Back in the kitchen, and I get ready to do hair. Breakfast is usually already on the table, so they sit while I do their hair. But, yeah, that's not how it works today. But I'm going to have to put on Jael's. I have brought her and myself some new socks. I'm just going to put on hers because I don't even know where mine are, and I don't feel like going back upstairs. Come on, ladies. But I'm just going to wear this with some black flat boots. Well, scratch that. I thought I was about to wear it with some black flat boots. I guess I'm going to wear my little fringy boots with it. These are my favorite boots of all time. Like, literally, I wear these out. But it's always hard getting back on when it's the first season. Well, when it's the first time getting back on in a long time. The girls are now down. There you go. Jack, go get your glasses, your sunglasses. It's Spirit Week at Jael School, so she gotta wear sunglasses. Look at Jale's little thing, or if you have some. You like my boots, baby? Show them you. You so cute. Look at my baby. Let me turn the light on, y'all. Okay. Sit down. This is like us brushing like every morning. Jael, bring Bunny 2 pull-ups down for nap time. Yeah, so she's still on a pull-up at nap time, so we have to make sure that we bring that because she's not, well, she's not terrible at night. She always has dry hair, but I'm going to go through that at school.
Mommy.
I'm going to go through that at school. So,
Mommy.
hold on, baby. So I always pack her up a pull-up for a nap time or 2, just to be on the safe side. But she's doing amazing, my baby. Amazing with her pottying. Ain't that right, baby? She came home dry these last couple days, and so she's doing good. I ain't even combed my baby hair today, y'all. I'm sorry. See, I have to go through this every morning. Imagine having to do both of their hair, like her and Jael's.
Mommy.
Girl, I have to do your hair. Stop. See what I gotta go through? You better stop. Don't show out for these cameras, girl, because I don't care. We can show out. You better stop. Jael. Thank you, baby. You look pretty. Jael, I usually just have to do her edges, but I ain't even doing that today. You the one doing the most. You have to get your hair done, baby. Mommy was gonna make y'all pancakes, but I don't even have time. Make a waffle or a toaster strudel or something. See, I had all the good intentions to make something good this morning. I can't even make my little egg thingy I wanted to make. We don't have time, but it's okay. The idea was good. Jale, like literally, y'all, she never cries when she get her hair done. I don't know what's wrong with her. Why are you crying? Huh? You just trying to show out for the cameras. Jale never cries, y'all, when she get her hair done. She sits like a big girl and don't give me no trouble. Jael act more crazy than this one do in the morning. She making you something to eat, okay? So, I just got one more little ponytail to do. I need to start putting these bows in her hair because they be getting all tangled. Y'all see how my baby hair has grown? It's like flourished overnight. Like she had always had a bunch of hair, but these last couple weeks, like when I be taking her hair out from her braids and stuff, it's like so big and so beautiful. You know that? Okay, one last ponytail. I need to get up, okay?
Hey.
You want juice or milk?
No.
You want milk?
No.
Juice?
No.
Juice or milk?
No.
Well, you ain't gonna get neither one.
I want to.
Juice? Okay. Let me get your juice. Yeah, I don't like kids in the morning time. It just don't go together. I always be doing my hair in the car, y'all, so don't even mind me.
How about that?
This ain't even the right gel. Like, what is going on?
How
Ew.
about that, Mommy?
Okay, Peppa Pig. Okay. Get down. So, yeah, I gel my hair together. The idea was great, but we're not going to be able to make that. Child's grabbing her little lunch. Maybe tomorrow. Did you put something there for Bunny?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess, yeah, we'll do all this later. I got my coffee though.
I'm making that.
Yeah. We got to put you some apple juice in. Huh? We want one. Okay, child, get in it for you, okay? Oh, she's talking about, I want this one. She's talking about the pancakes, y'all. Yeah, about that, baby. That's not going to work till this morning. Tomorrow, mommy do it for you, okay? She like, I ain't trying to hear none of that. Here, baby. What do you say?
Okay.
You're welcome to. See? It never ever happens how it needs to happen in the morning. So yeah, we're usually like not leaving out at the right time. We got like 5 minutes to spare right now, but not really to spare because I need to find my earrings. In my beauty room. This is where I usually do my hair in the morning before we walk out, or I'll do it in my car. I know, don't judge me, y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna throw these on because my ears, I can't wear fake earrings. And I tried to for a second. I had these little diamond earrings that my friend had let me use when we went to our little reunion. By the way, I forgot to give them back to her. But they messed my ears up, and I only had them in for like 2 days. So yeah, I just know I can't wear fake earrings. Well, we're about to get ready to get in the car. Give me some lotion. I hope you guys enjoyed this impromptu, all over the place, my usual morning, how it goes. I promise y'all I'm gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna do like a little bun and do my little edges and stuff in the car. I got my gel. I got everything in there. I got a whole setup in the car. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And I am gonna do a morning routine video where I get them up, and you know, you really guys get to see the routine, like how I wake up, how all of that. I just really just wanted to get on here because I was like, oh, this is a perfect day to film because I know it's gonna be crazy, and guys love crazy. So yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.